Good day. Nice to meet you. Rextron, founded in 1998, is a leading company in IT industry. Rextron has dedicated in developing KVM switch and Pro AV product. Rextron provide various solutions of lecture hall, huddle or boardroom, digital signage, military, education and control center to our clients. QSKM 3114 is a 4 ports, true 4K, quad view, HDMI 2.0, seamless KVM switch with scaler, PIP, PBP, EDID, serial and hotkey control. MKAG8KT3114 is a 4 ports 8K HDMI 2.1 KVM switch with 10 gigabits per second Type-C, HDCP engine, audio, EDID management, serial control supported. QSK Aero 10 Plus is a 4 ports, multi-view, industrial KVM switch with mouse roaming, seamless switching, serial device configuration, serial control. CAHBPP3132 is a 2 ports triple monitor USB-C hybrid KVM switch with USB audio, 5 gigabits per second USB 3.2 Gen 1 sharing, and USB-C PD supported. EVVBMUM2210 is an uncompressed dual video HDMI KVM extender with EDID, audio, IR, serial, USB, 90 meters distance, POH 48 volts supported. USWKM2000 is a 10 ports USB KM switch with 17 preset screen layouts, hotkey, RS232 control, USB KM sync, USB broadcast and mouse roaming. Contact us for more information.